Oy'Nissh vlog, Scotland, UK. We baby Brussels sprouts. So this is seasonal stuff. It's not full in season yet. Maybe 2 months down the road, a month or two down the road. But we definitely have Brussels sprouts for winter. So this is British. Hi again everyone. Welcome to another video. I am Oy'Nissh Grandiece, and today's video is focused on making food products out of the Oy'Nissh condiments. Fruit and veg. On the health promotion, leek, beetroot, pepper, spinach. And also to my Jamaican friends, that as you are watching this video, you start to become aware that as Jamaica move forward, that we are evolving, especially in terms of our cuisine. But please note the various colors, because that's one of the distinguishing contrasts between Oy'Nissh condiments and traditional jerk. Hot, and there we go, away from the heat, nearing the edge. No. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, I'll turn it on the other side. Just look at that. Wow. Slow cook. No rush. So now we put it directly over the heat to catch the color. As you can see how nice and how beautiful the colors are.